welcome back. This is part 5 of my how to solve a Rubik's Cube set of tutorials. And if you have not seen part 1 or any of the beginning videos, please click this Rubik's Cube and it will take you to the first part of this series. In this video, I will show you how to get the second layer of the cube. In the previous video, we finished off the first layer. So in this video, I will teach you how to get the first 2 layers. So it's time to scramble this up. Okay, this looks pretty scrambled, so let's get into this. Okay, first step, we look for the cross pieces. I see one right here. We match it up, do an F2. I see this piece right here. Let's put that up into the top, flip it. You should already know how to do this if you're watching this video here. Finish that up, bring it to the top, let's flip it. Okay, so now we get the green corners. Let's see, I see this one. Okay, I see this one. Okay, and I see this one. Okay, so we got the first layer here. Okay, so now it's time to actually learn something new. Now that we have the whole first layer here, we need to check it. We have the by checking if we have the T. So we have the T here, we have the T here, we have the T here, and we have the T here. So now what you want to do is literally flip the whole cube over. So green will be on the bottom. Now the blue center is up and the green center face is down. So now we are going to start wanting to put edge pieces from this top layer here into one of these 4 spots here of the edges. So first step, what you want to do is you find a edge piece. Remember, this is an edge piece, that's a corner piece, center piece. So you want to find an edge piece without blue on it in the top layer. So this is an edge piece without blue. It's orange and white. So what you want to do is, you see when you're holding it with blue on top, the front color is orange and the top color is white. So since this is orange, you want to match it up with the orange face here. So if we turn it like this, now the orange matches up with its face. So now the top color, remember, is white. And is white to the left of the cube or the right of the cube? It's to the right of the cube, right? So this algorithm will put this piece down to the right slot. Now it's matched up, white's on top, and it will move to the right. So the algorithm will be right here. U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. And as you see, that did just insert this piece into there, and it did not disturb our green solid face. Okay, so now what we want to do is look for another edge piece in the top layer here that does not have blue on it. So I see this one right here. It's yellow and red, that no blue on it. So remember, the front color is yellow and the top color is red. Since the front color is yellow, you want to match the yellow up with the yellow face. And the top color is red, so is the red on the right? No, that's orange. So it's red, so it wants to go to the left, because that's where the red face is. So now this is the left algorithm. And that algorithm will be right here again. So here's the algorithm. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. And now with that knowledge, you should be able to solve the first 2 layers. But here is a tricky situation when you're learning. It's in the correct slot because that's yellow and orange, that's yellow and orange, but the edge piece is flipped. So that's an issue. So what you want to do here is pick any random blue edge piece in the top layer and simply put it into this slot. So if we hold this up here and we do the right algorithm to put it down here, by default, this edge piece will come into the top layer, Once it's in the top layer, we then can put it in correctly. So let's just use this blue and red piece and put it in here. It doesn't matter which one we do, but we're just going to do this one. So the algorithm is again U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. Now that blue and red edge piece is now in this slot, and we have freed the yellow and orange piece here. So now the yellow is matched up with the yellow, and the orange is on top, the orange is to the right. So we want to do that same algorithm again. It's U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. And now that successfully inserted this piece, and same case here, the white and red is flipped. So we just for the heck of it, we're going to do the left algorithm now. So we're going to place this blue and white edge piece into this slot here. Okay, so let's do that. It goes U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. So now that blue and white is now in this slot, and we have freed this red and white edge piece here. So now that red matches up with the red, the top color is white, the white is to the left. So we do that algorithm once again. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. Okay, so now we have successfully solved the first two layers. We solve our green, and we have the first two layers done. So I'm going to go over just that one more time. Okay, so now I have the green face again and the whole first layer here. I have all my T's. They're upside down right now. Well, anyway, so let's start. I see this edge piece in the top layer does not have blue on it, and its colors are yellow and red. Remember, you want to look for the front color on it. The front color is red. So you want to match that up with the red face here. The reds. And the top color is yellow here. And yellow is to the right. So you want to do the right algorithm, okay? So that again is U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. And that just inserted that yellow and red edge piece. So I immediately see this white and orange piece. So we match that up. The white is matched up with the white. The orange needs to go to the left here. That's because that's orange. So let's do that algorithm. It is U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. Okay, so I see this red and white, and it's already matched up. The red's on there. That's white right there, so white's over here. So we want to do the left algorithm again. So that's U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. And that just inserted it. And I believe we only have one more. Yellow and orange. We need to match the yellows up. The top color is orange. Orange is to the right. So let's do that algorithm. The right algorithm. U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. And that got our first two layers once again. And some people sometimes get confused with the notation with algorithms, so this is just a refresher. This is what the left algorithm should look like. When you are performing the left algorithm, it's U prime, so you're looking at the top face counterclockwise, and then it's L prime. So sometimes people think that that's L prime, that is not L prime. Pretend you are looking at the left face and do a counterclockwise turn. So that's L prime. Okay? Then it's U. Okay, that one's easy. Then you pretend you're looking at the left face again, so this is L. Then U, then F, that one's also simple, then U prime, counterclockwise, turn to the top face, and F prime, counterclockwise, turn to the F face. And here's a refresher for the right algorithm's notation. So its algorithm goes, see, it's yellow, orange, and it needs to go over here. So U, pretend you're looking at the right face, just clockwise, sorry, it's clockwise. So it's U, R, U prime, R prime, pretend you're looking at the face and do a counterclockwise rotation, U prime, F prime, U, F. And there you go. Okay, so now that you know how to solve the first two layers, I do recommend you practice that a couple times getting the first two layers. And in the next step of this video series, I will show you how to get the blue cross. And if you're going to try to figure that out on your own, then it is not the same as the green cross. And also in that same exact video, after you get the blue cross, I will show you how to get the whole blue face, which is very cool. So, in the next video, blue cross and blue face. And blue cross is not the same as getting the green cross, so you got to remember that. So once you feel comfortable with the first two layers, please click the Rubik's Cube and it will take you to the next step. And always remember, have a great day.